walks around, says, do you want to snow? I tell him no, that it's alright. I'm driving hard today, and old John Crow is flying overhead. He's searching for his prey.
It's officially snowing in Richmond, Virginia. This is our snowstorm that has arrived. It has arrived early. Wasn't supposed to arrive until 12, but y'all know how the news people do. They don't know what they talking about all the time. So, yeah. Let's see. As you can see, it has started snowing, and it's gonna look much different within the next couple hours. So I will be back to show you all. So you guys, this is what the outcome is here in Virginia. If you know, at the beginning of this video, it wasn't looking like this at all outside, but now, as you can see, it is. This is my front yard, and you can't even tell where my walkway is. My walkway is actually right there. Its steps supposed to be right there. But this is what it looks like, and it's still snowing. Yep, I'm gonna show y'all the backyard. So this is the backyard. And it's, like I said, it's still snowing. It's not gonna stop. It's not supposed to stop until like 7 tonight. But we're under a winter storm warning until supposedly Sunday or tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock. So yeah, we've been in the house, of course. Hopefully my girls, they may be able to go out and play in today. I'm not sure. I might wait until tomorrow because it will be above freezing tomorrow because it is bitter cold outside. So I just wanted to come and show you all what's going on in my city and in other states around me also, because it was a widespread snowstorm. So yeah, I hope everyone is safe if you're dealing with this. And just be safe, period. And I hope you all having a wonderful Saturday. And I will see you all in the next video.